6 dry fruits diabetics should avoid to keep blood sugar stable. Did you know more than 200 million people suffer from diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic disease that affects the way your pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that regulates your blood glucose levels. According to the World Health Organization, your pancreas does not produce enough insulin in diabetes. If left uncontrolled, diabetes can cause serious damage to your nerves and blood vessels. As per the data by WHO, diabetes was the direct cause of death for more than 1.6 million people around the globe in 2021, and more occurred due to diabetes as an indirect cause. One of the best ways to keep your blood sugar levels in check is to watch your lifestyle habits, and eating healthy tops the chart. Eating a healthy diet is important to both control diabetes and reduce its risk. Living with diabetes means being super careful about what you eat, even when it comes to healthy snacks like dry fruits. Diabetes is a condition where your body struggles to produce or use insulin, the hormone that keeps your blood sugar in check. If not managed, it can lead to serious issues like nerve damage, heart problems, or vision loss. According to the World Health Organization, diabetes caused over 1.6 million deaths in 2021, and USA is second globally for the number of people affected. Eating smart is one of the best ways to manage it, but not all dry fruits are your friend. Some are sugar bombs that can spike your glucose levels. Let's dive into the 6 dry fruits you should steer clear of and why, plus some safer options for your snack stash. Dry fruits are made by removing water from fresh fruits through methods like sun-drying or dehydration. This process makes them super nutrient-dense and gives them a long shelf life and bold flavor, says dietitian Garima Goyal. But here's the catch. Drying concentrates the natural sugars, like fructose and glucose, so you get more sugar per bite compared to fresh fruit. Some dry fruits also have a high glycemic index, GI, which means they can cause quick blood sugar spikes. While certain dry fruits like almonds or walnuts are great for diabetics, others are loaded with sugar and can throw your glucose levels out of whack. It's all about picking the right ones and eating them in moderation. 6 dry fruits to avoid if you have diabetes. Here are 6 dry fruits that can spike your blood sugar and should be off your snack list. 1. Figs, Anjeer. Living with diabetes means you've got to be extra picky about what you eat, especially when it comes to snacks. Figs or Anjeer might look like a wholesome, natural choice. After all, they're a fruit, right? But don't be fooled. These sweet, chewy dry fruits can wreak havoc on your blood sugar if you're not careful. Diabetes is a chronic condition where your body doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it well, leading to high blood sugar levels. According to the World Health Organization, diabetes affects over 200 million people globally and was linked to 1.6 million deaths in 2021. In India, it's a massive issue, with 1 in 6 adults worldwide living with the condition. While diet is a powerful tool to manage diabetes, figs are one snack you'll want to skip. Here's why figs are risky for diabetics, what makes them so sugary, and some diabetes-friendly alternatives to satisfy your snack cravings. Figs, whether fresh or dried, Anjeer, are packed with natural sugars that can spell trouble for blood sugar control. A study published in Molecules found that figs are made up of 50 to 60% sugar by weight, including fructose, dextrose, and glucose. These sugars are quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, causing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, exactly what you don't want if you have diabetes. Even though figs have some fiber, the high sugar content outweighs those benefits for diabetics, says dietitian Garima Goyal. The drying process makes things worse. When figs are dried to become Anjeer, the water is removed, concentrating the sugars even more. This means a small handful of dried figs has way more sugar per gram than fresh ones. Plus, figs have a moderate glycemic index, GI, typically ranging from 55 to 60, which means they can raise blood sugar faster than low GI foods like nuts or seeds. For comparison, almonds have a GI of around 0 to 15, making them a much safer choice. Eating figs, especially in large amounts, can lead to those dreaded glucose spikes that make diabetes management harder and increase the risk of complications like nerve damage, kidney issues, or heart disease. When you eat figs, the high levels of fructose and glucose hit your bloodstream quickly. Your pancreas has to pump out insulin to move that sugar into your cells for energy. In diabetes, this process is already impaired, either because your body doesn't make enough insulin, type 1, or your cells resist it, type 2. The fast-acting sugars in figs can overwhelm your system, causing a spike in blood sugar that's hard to control. Over time, these spikes can stress your body, leading to higher HbA1c levels, a measure of long-term blood sugar control, and a greater chance of complications. 2. Dates. Think twice before grabbing dates. These sugary treats can send your blood sugar soaring. Let's explore why dates are a risky snack for diabetics and discover smarter, blood sugar-friendly alternatives to satisfy your sweet tooth. Dates are often called nature's candy because they're super sweet and chewy, but that sweetness comes at a cost. A study published in Nutrients found that dates are made up of over 70% sugar by weight, mostly in the form of fructose and glucose. These natural sugars are quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, causing rapid blood sugar spikes that can be tough to manage if you have diabetes. Dates are delicious, but their high sugar content makes them a risky choice for diabetics, says dietitian Garima Goyal. What makes dates even trickier is their glycemic index, GI, which ranges from 42 to 72, depending on the variety. The GI measures how fast a food raises blood sugar, and anything above 55 is considered moderate to high. Dates, especially softer varieties like medjool, lean toward the higher end, meaning they can cause quick glucose spikes. For comparison, low GI foods like almonds, GI around 0 to 15, or walnuts, GI around 15, are much safer for keeping your blood sugar steady. Eating just a few dates can add up fast. A single date, about 7 to 8 grams, has around 5 grams of sugar, so snacking on a handful could easily push your glucose levels out of control. Let's get into the science for a second. When you eat dates, the high levels of fructose and glucose flood your bloodstream. Your pancreas releases insulin to shuttle that sugar into your cells for energy. In diabetes, this process is impaired, either because your body doesn't make enough insulin, type 1, or your cells resist insulin's effects, type 2. The fast-acting sugars in dates can overwhelm your system, leading to a sharp blood sugar spike. Over time, these spikes can increase your HbA1c levels, a measure of long-term blood sugar control, raising the risk of complications like kidney damage or cardiovascular issues. 3. Dried cherries. Dried cherries sound healthy, but they have 35 to 40 grams of sugar per serving, says Goyal. Some brands add extra sugar during processing, making them even worse for blood sugar control. Why avoid? High sugar content, especially in processed versions, can spike glucose. Better choice. Opt for fresh cherries, which have less concentrated sugar. 4. Dried bananas, banana chips. Dried bananas, often sold as banana chips, are a no-go for diabetics. They're usually fried or coated in sugar, making them calorie-dense and high in sugar compared to fresh bananas, which already have a high GI. Processing strips away nutrients, so dried bananas are worse than fresh ones, Goyal explains. Why avoid? High sugar and calories, plus nutrient loss, make them a poor choice. Better choice, stick to low GI nuts, like pistachios. 5. Dried mango. Dried mango is another sugar-heavy dry fruit, often processed with added sweeteners, which makes it a blood sugar disaster. A metabolism. Open study suggests fresh mango is better for satiety and glucose control than its dried version. Why avoid? High fructose and added sugars cause quick glucose spikes. Better choice. Enjoy a small slice of fresh mango for fewer sugars. 6. Candied fruits, candied orange or papaya. Candied fruits aren't true dry fruits. They're basically sugar-coated candies. Whether it's candied orange or papaya, the added sugar and processing strip away nutrients, making them terrible for blood sugar control. These are a big no for diabetics, says Goyal. Why avoid high sugar and no real nutritional value, spike glucose fast? Better choice. Choose unsweetened dry fruits like peanuts for a healthier snack. Stick to a small handful, 15 to 30 grams, daily to avoid excess calories. Pair with low-carb foods like veggies or yogurt to keep blood sugar stable. Tips for snacking smart with diabetes. Even healthy dry fruits can raise blood sugar if you overdo it. A small handful is enough. Pick raw or unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars or syrups. Look out for hidden sugars or high-sodium coatings in store-bought dry fruits. Combine with protein or fiber-rich foods, like a few almonds with cucumber slices, to slow sugar absorption. Chew slowly to help your body process nutrients better and avoid spikes. Talk to your doctor. Before adding new foods, check with your healthcare provider or dietitian to ensure they fit your diabetes plan. Diabetes is a global health issue affecting over 200 million people. Uncontrolled diabetes can harm your nerves, blood vessels, and organs, so managing it with the right diet is crucial. Avoiding high-sugar dry fruits like figs, dates, and candied fruits helps keep your blood sugar steady and reduces the risk of complications. By skipping these 6 dry fruits and choosing low GI options like almonds or walnuts, you can satisfy your snack cravings without worrying about glucose spikes. Keep portions small, choose wisely, and consult your doctor to build a diet that keeps your diabetes in check. Snack smart and stay healthy.